Hi, today we will see GSM and its working principle. What is GSM and how it works? So let's see. GSM is look like this one. I'm using GSM CM900 A, as you have seen here. I'm using CM900 A, and it's working as sending a message. So look, take a SIM card. This one is a SIM card. We are slotting out and we may just back again. So this one is a SIM card. Just it takes a SIM card and sending a message. So this one is, as you have seen here, there is a signal. This signal is found the network, and while it is blinking through the interval of 3 seconds, the network exists. If not, it's repeatedly blink, then it's not connecting the signal or network. As you have seen, this one is RX and TX. This one is this part is RX TX. White color one is TX. Also there is power. There is a power and ground. But on this GSM, it is not correct during the manufacturing, I think, because this one is ground. This one is should have to be power. If anybody using this type of GSM, just exchange while you are plugging on your breadboard. When I'm plugging on my breadboard, this one is going through the positive and this one is going through the negative or ground, unless otherwise does not work, this one. So it looks like this one. So this GSM is used for the sending a message purposes. We are using in different application, like as wireless communication. Mainly in wireless communication technology, this GSM is more fundamental equipment, so it is preferable and very good devices. So our today topic is this one, and we will see the next component like Arduino, fingerprint sensor, any different electronic equipment we will see together. Okay, thank you.